guys, what's up? So today we are going to be doing this look that I have on my eyes. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. All right, so what I'm taking first is the Color Spell Cosmetics Berries palette. I'm going in with this super dark purple down here. It is a beautiful berry kind of purple, and I'm just applying that right into my crease. Not taking it fully, just keeping it kind of on that outer portion. And then we're going to start building on that. So I'm going to take this purple right here and slightly blend that edge out. The pigment in these palettes I am so impressed with, and you can find this brand at Dollar General. This is actually Profusion Cosmetics' sister brand. I have a full swatch video of some products that they sent me if you'd like to go check that out. Now we're going to take this shade up here as well as this one and further blend that out. I'm even going to take some of this light pinky white. All right, so now I'm going to take the gray shimmer shadow stick by Color Spell. I really wish that the names were printed on the actual component. I believe they were on the box, but I'm just going to take this. There's a hair on it. I'm just going to take this, and that's just going to go all on my lower lash line area. And on top of that, I'm going to kind of use that as a base, but on top of that, we're going to take this really pretty purpley gray shimmer shadow here, as well as this gray next to it, and that's just going to go right on top of that shadow stick. And then I'm going to go in with that lavender shade again and just kind of blend this down and make it also blend with this outer portion over here. Now I'm taking this Pacifica Beauty eyeliner. This is kind of like the minty teal shade, and I'm just going to line my waterline area. All right, so now I'm taking the pinky shade and the purple shade shadow sticks from Color Spell. I'm going to take the purple first, and this is just going to go right on this lid area. And we're going to kind of use these as a base as well. And then the pinky shade will go right into this inner corner area here. Then I'm going to go over into the Solstice palette, and I'm going to take this shade right up here. This has kind of like pinky purple sparkles in it. I'm just going to take that on my finger, and we're going to apply that right on top of that purple shadow stick. Then I'm going over to the Berries palette and taking this shimmer right here, which is more of a pinky base, and that's just going to go right on top of that pink shadow stick. Now I'm going to go in with this 5-shade palette by Color Spell. It does not have a name, but I am going to take these peachy shades, and those are going to go right underneath the front of my brow. And I'm going to take a little bit of that burnt orange and put that right into the crease to kind of make it blend with that deep berry. Taking the gold shadow stick, applying that into the inner corner, and then we are going to take that really beautiful gold glitter in the Berries palette right there, and I am just going to place that right on top. I'm going to take Hard Candy's little collaboration that they did with Wednesday. This is the Nevermore eyeliner. And just kind of outline the tail of my brow and fill it in just to make it not only sharp, but also a little purple. And then just to make that even more ethereal, I'm taking the Glittery Glitch Brow Gel from Profusion. This is so, so pretty, you guys. It's like an iridescent pink. And I am just going to place that right on top. So not only is it going to lock our brows into place even further, it's going to give us a nice little pinky iridescent look. That's going to match our beautiful highlight. That is the Patrick Star One Size Cheek Clapper. Oh my gosh, I am in love. Now just to tie in that random blue minty eyeliner, I'm taking a mixture of the teal, green, and white Paradise Paints from Mayron. And I am just going to first outline the brow. Like so. And then we're just going to do some wacky, crazy little shape out here. Now, this is not waterproof paint, so I'm keeping it far away from the corners of my eyes in case my eyes start watering today, which they are very, very known to do. And then we are just going to take some of these half magic gems and apply those all around that shape. I'm just going to apply some Colorspell Cosmetics Wispy Lashes, and then this look will be complete. And this is the final look. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.